If you're interested in a career in digital marketing, you'll develop a lot of different skills along the way. As digital marketing can evolve a wide range of methods, it's common that most people won't have all the skills mentioned in this section. However, in time, you'll learn and develop these skills through education and practical work experience. Typically, you'll need strong verbal communication skills for articulating ideas to colleagues and clients. If you've had a previous job in a customer service role, this will stand you in good stead for a future in digital marketing. Other skills you'll need include excellent written communication skills for producing high-quality content, attention to detail and accuracy, and the ability to work independently. Equally, if you join an established marketing department or marketing agency, you'll also need the ability to work as part of a team. As digital marketing mainly involves using computers and the internet, you'll need great IT skills and the ability to learn creative software if and when required. Sometimes you'll be also required to manage multiple marketing campaigns at once. This means you should have the skill to prioritize and work across multiple projects. In addition, great organization skills with the ability to deliver a high volume of quality work can also be beneficial, as you can be working on different projects at once. It's good if you have the ability to work well under pressure and meet deadlines set by your employer or client. Of course, digital marketing isn't just about building a product or service. It's the continued development and refining of your goals to achieve your primary aim. This means excellent networking and analytical skills can also be an advantage to most people. By using analytical skills, you can track and compare marketing campaigns in much more detail. You can see where changes need to be made, or equally be aware of marketing methods which are reaching your target audience. In general, most campaigns will need some refinement as consumer behaviour and purchasing habits are continually changing. So will your marketing methods. As you can see, there's many skills a digital marketeer needs. However, as previously stated, you develop most of these skills through work experience and continued personal development.